Meaning of daredevil.
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 Daredevil. The word daredevil refers to a person who is willing to take extreme risks or engage in dangerous activities without fear or concern for their own safety. This term is often associated with thrill seekers who enjoy activities such as skydiving, bungee jumping, and extreme sports. While these individuals may experience a rush of excitement from these experiences, they also put themselves at risk of serious injury or death. In some cases, their actions may even be illegal or socially unacceptable. Ultimately, being a daredevil can bring both excitement and danger.